Hey, what's up guys? This is Gubro with another video. This time we are unboxing the Aukey USB-C wall charger, which is a power delivery charger. Before we do that, let's go through on what exactly power delivery means and why is that important. Okay, so this is a list about what the different charging standards are. The original and old charging standard, the USB 2.0, gave you a 2.5 watt power with 5 volt 0.5 amps. Even if you used a USB 3.0 socket on your computer, your maximum power was 4.5 watts. And then came the quick charge. The various quick chargers came on. First of all, the Qualcomm Quick Charge 2, 3, and 4. As you can see, the 2.0 and the 3.0 had a maximum power of 18 watts. The 4.0 has a maximum power of up to 28 watts. This is by far the quickest of all the quick charge Qualcomm quick charge standards. The OnePlus Dash Charge provides you with 20 watts power, and the Huawei Supercharge will give you 22.5 watts. Samsung has their own standard, the Samsung Adaptive Fast Charger, that's also 18 watts, just as the Qualcomm 2.0 and 3.0. And then comes the power delivery, which will give you a maximum of 100 watts power. Well, obviously not for smartphones, but for other devices. And currently there are these models on the market which support the power delivery: the Pixel XL, the Pixel 2, the Pixel 2 XL, the iPhone 8, the iPhone 8 Plus, and the iPhone X. So these are the phones which are supporting the power delivery. Very important information is that whilst the USB 2.0 and 3.0 are standard and approved solutions by USB-IF Alliance, so is power delivery. Qualcomm 2.0 and 3.0 are non-standard charging solutions. Qualcomm 4.0 support power delivery as well, so it will be somehow compliant. Dash Charge, Huawei Supercharge, and Samsung Adaptive Fast Charge are non-standard, non-accepted versions by USB-IF. Why is that important? According to Google, Google at the moment claims that they are strongly recommend the power delivery as a standard. It's not mandatory at the moment, but Google can make it mandatory at any point they think. Meaning, if Google thinks, they can say, okay, from Android P, we can only accept the power delivery solution, meaning all these above will be non-compliant, meaning anybody who is using these standards will be non-compliant, therefore will not be able to use the Android for that. This has not happened yet, but this can happen at any point in the future, and only power delivery and Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.0 will be compliant. Also important, the Qualcomm Quick Charge will only work with Qualcomm SoCs. So not on Huawei phones. You will never see Qualcomm Quick Charge on Huawei phones or Samsung phones in Europe, because Samsung is using their own chipset instead of the Qualcomm chipsets in Europe. So this is a short summary of where we are now. And this charger here, this Aukey charger, supports power delivery, as you can see here, meaning it will quick charge, for example, a Pixel phone. We'll test it in a minute. For the Pixel, this is the charger which comes in the box. And also, one more thing I forgot to mention, that the power delivery will only work through USB. So USB-C on one side, USB-C on the other side. This is the only way power delivery works. Anything else, USB-A, USB-C, the power delivery will not work, because the standard is designed for USB-C to USB-C. Okay, let's open the box. This little charger cost about £20 on Amazon at the moment. I will leave a link in the description, so if you fancy, you can buy it. What you get here, you get a 24-month product warranty card. So Aukey thinks that this is so good quality that they provide you with a 24-month warranty. You get a user manual, and as you can see, the technology, it says Power Delivery 3.0, and the output can be up to 20 watts, 1.35 amps. Okay, so 27 watts is the maximum total power. This means that this little charger can charge your MacBook. If you have a USB-C MacBook, this charger will be able to charge it, and it's strong enough to charge it. Okay, this is how it looks like. Nothing else in the box. You have a single USB-C connector here, as you can see. A logo here, the normal 3-pin UK socket or plug, and this is the same, pretty much the same as in the booklet, so nothing special. Okay, let's see the difference between the Google charger and the Aukey charger. Size wise, they are roughly the same, not much difference, but the Google charger, which comes with the Pixel, this will max out at 18 watts, whereas this one is up to 27. As I said, this will be powerful enough to charge your MacBook as well. Okay, let's try the power with this one. I have my Pixel 2 here, which is at the moment at 25%, so it should pick up quite some juice. Let's connect it and see what's happening. It only draws about an amp, and if we look at here, it says charging rapidly. So in theory, that's the rapid charge. Yeah, what I didn't mention with the power delivery is that this standard is designed in a way that the actual device will decide how much power they ask from the charger, and according to that the charger will provide the information. So it doesn't mean that an 18-watt charger will always charge on 18 watts. It will charge on the power the actual device asks for. Alright, it doesn't go any further up than 1050. So let's see the other charger, the Aukey charger. And not surprisingly, this is not going any further up now. But the bottom line is, I can try this with a non-power delivery charger. Which I don't have at the moment. So you have to take my word for it. But these chargers are providing quick charge for the power delivery devices, such as I just mentioned, the Pixel XL, the Pixel 2, the Pixel 2 XL, and the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and the iPhone 10. So the benefit with this one, especially for iPhone users, is that you won't get a quick charger in the box. You will have to buy it separate. This one is a good brand. This one is a solid charger, and this will indeed quick charge your iPhone. I know you can't see the difference at the moment with any other chargers, which I'm not sure about, but definitely for an iPhone, this is the way to go. Thank you, peace out.